It's Gannon. I'm just happy. It's Gannon. Every time we beat Gannon, I'm gonna be happier than anybody else. I don't know. There's just something about them. It's like I like their level of competition.
Well, I thought Gannon played tremendous. I'm just glad there's not a 5. 4 is enough. I don't know if I want to go another one. That was a tremendous game. A lot of great athletes in the floor. When we score, we put pressure on people, and it makes it difficult for them, and it puts a lot of pressure that they have to come up with points. So if we can get ahead and get to where they have to, it makes our defense that much better, I think.
When it comes to Gannon, we play extra hard. We can't let them come catch up to us. We gotta go hard. We gotta play 100%, play as a team, and just stay focused.
Coach Swank always tells us basketball's a game of runs. You know, we can't get down on ourselves whenever they're having their run. We just have to make our runs at crucial times, and I mean, that's what we did today. I always get myself into foul trouble somehow, so I mean, I guess I'm kind of getting used to playing with foul trouble. I sat for a good bit of the first half, so I think that gave me like the insight to see what was going on out there so that I could make adjustments when I went in.
Katie did some great things for us. She came off, I think she made a couple baskets, had a couple rebounds, and she filled in really well and did what she needed to do. She's been doing that all year this year. She's kind of been our 6th man, come in and just maintain and keep it going.
I was a little frustrated when we played out. I had 3 fouls in the championship. I was a little frustrated with myself, and I just couldn't make shots. But today I just kept through it. I just wanted to win that badly.
I think they've done a great job of taking care of the basketball, and in game, when you get to this level, you can't afford turnovers. Every possession becomes critical and crucial, and turnovers are a major problem. Our players are really good about taking each game one at a time and looking at each game one at a time and not getting ahead of themselves and just focusing on that team and that scouting report. And you know, a couple days ago we weren't thinking about, well, what if Gannon wins and we win and we're going to play? Didn't even cross our minds. We were looking mainly at Charleston. And I think that they've done a great job with that. Now they'll just refocus and get ready for the winner of this game.
When we lost by 30.
The count?
Yes.
Or the count?
Yes, that's embarrassing.
Well, what was said? What changed?
Our attitude. We just thought we was too good until we lost by 30, and that was a wake-up call. I was like, oh, anybody could come in here and beat us, and it was at home. That was the most embarrassing part.
We didn't have to say too much.
No.
I don't think there was a lot of discussion. I think we all knew. And the next game was Gannon, so we had to
At Gannon.
We had to pull our thoughts back together pretty quick. Well, they wouldn't be here unless they were pretty good. Bloomsburg's a really tough team. They're good. So it's another challenge. You know, certainly it would be a great thing to go 15 miles up the road. We have certain players that don't like to fly tremendously, so that would be a great thing. But you know, that's so far ahead. I'm just getting ready to focus on the tip come Monday night and what we're gonna do.
Yeah, we're moving trees, we're beating Gannon, we're just doing it all. I'm just playing.